So let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 6 of chapter number 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. And in this session we are going to learn about polygons. Already we have studied polygons in chapter number 4. Okay. So this is the recapitulation of polygon, the starting part. Now let us start with the definition. Polygon is a simple closed curve formed by 3 or more line segments. Right? Why 3 or more? Because we cannot close with the help of 2 line segments. Okay? 2 line segments से हम लोग क्लोज फिगर नहीं बना सकते हैं, इसलिए हम लोग को 3 और मोर लाइन सेगमेंट्स की ज़रूरत है. Right? Next, simple closed curve formed by line segments only. Simple closed curves formed by line segments only means यहाँ पे curve mention है ना, तो ये नहीं सोचना कि जो really जो सर्कल का जो आर्क जो फॉर्म होता है ना वो वाला होना चाहिए. So line segments only. See these examples. These are all made up of line segments. इसमें 1 2 3 4, इसमें 1 2 3 4 5 6, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 11 12 13 line segments हैं, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and here 1 2 3 4 5 line segments are there. So these are polygons, and the following figures formed by line segments are not polygons. See, why this is not polygon? Because it is not closed. It is made up of line segment but not closed. Okay, right. And this one, it is not a simple curve. Simple curve cross नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, यहाँ पे A B और B जो है वो C पे intersect हो रहा है. So that is why it is not a polygon. And now see this figure. Here it is not made up of line segments. This part is not a line segment. ये वाला जो part है, right? And now let us move towards the other terms related to polygons, sides and vertices. See, the line segments formed by joining the forming the polygon, the line segments, all the line segments. See this figure here, 6 line segments are there. So all these line segments are called sides of this polygon. ठीक है? The line segments forming the polygon are called the sides of the polygon, and the point of intersection of all the line segments are called vertices. And in this figure, AB, BC, CD, DE, EF या FE and FA, these are the sides, and A, B, C, D, E, F are the vertices. Okay, right. Now any 2 sides of a polygon have a common endpoints, and these 2 sides are called adjacent sides. See, for example, in these 2 sides, which point is common? A. So these 2 sides are called adjacent sides. Similarly, in these 2 sides, B is common. So these 2 sides are adjacent sides. और जिसमें कोई भी कॉमन नहीं होता उसको ऑपोजिट साइड्स बोलते हैं. ऑलरेडी वी हैव स्टडीड इन क्वाड्रिलेटरल. ओके, सो इन द फिगर AB and BC is a pair of adjacent side, whereas AB and CD are not adjacent sides. Why? Because they do not have any common endpoints. Okay, and the endpoints of the same side of a polygon are called adjacent vertices. See, these 2 are adjacent vertices. Why? Because it has the common side, that is EF. Okay, now the vertices E and D are adjacent, whereas E and C are not adjacent vertices. I repeat, 2 vertices are said to be adjacent if they have common side. If they do not have any common side, they are not adjacent vertices. They are opposite vertices. Okay. Now vertices, a polygon can be named by listing its vertices in consecutive order, either in clockwise and anti-clockwise. In figure A, B, C, D, E, F is a polygon, right? And this should be, I wrote here in clockwise. And but if I will write zigzag like A, C, E, D, B, F, it is not a polygon as shown in the above figure. Right. Now the next term is very important term, diagonals. A diagonal, जब हम लोग नॉन जॉइंट वर्टेक्स वर्टाइसेस को ज्वाइन करते हैं, दैट इज ऑपोजिट वर्टाइसेस, दैट लाइन सेगमेंट इज कॉल्ड डायगोनल. So diagonal of a polygon is a line segment whose endpoints are two non-adjacent vertices, that is opposite vertices. So in this figure, see this is figure A and figure B. In this, B and D are non-adjacent vertices, okay, and A and C are non-adjacent vertices. Now if we are joining these two vertices, we are getting two diagonals. See, one and this is 2, right? This is the first one and this is the second one. So AC and BD are the diagonals of this polygon ABCD. Similarly here, many pairs of opposite sides are there. So let us start with the first one, AD, okay, one, second AC, third EC, and the next one is BD. This is BD, you know? Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more BE is also there. These two are also non-adjacent, adjacent vertices. So total 5 diagonals are there. See, 1, 2, 3. So in pentagon we have total 5 diagonals, right? Already we have studied about the name of the polygon. This is 4-sided polygon, quadrilateral. This is 5-sided polygon, pentagon. Okay, एक बार recapitulate करेंगे हम लोग. So let us move toward the types of polygons. हम लोग 10 sides तक देखे थे, right? So number of sides 3. The name of the polygon is triangle. Okay, and this is the rough figure, 3 sides. Number of sides 4. The name of the polygon is quadrilateral. And these are the different types of quadrilaterals. All have 4 sides, okay. And number of sides 5. The name of the polygon is pentagon. Penta means 5 hota hai, or quad means 4 hota hai, tri means 3, okay. So this is the rough figure of pentagon. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Now the next one is 6 number of sides. The name of the polygon is hexagon. Hexa means 6. See this figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So this is hexagon. Now the number of sides 7. The name of the polygon is septagon. Septa means 7 hota hai, right? And this is the rough figure. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. So this is septagon. Now if the number of sides 8, the name of the polygon is octagon. Octa means 8 hota hai. So this is the rough figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides. So this is octagon. Now if the number of sides is 9, the name of the polygon is nonagon. Nona means 9. So this is the rough figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total number of sides is 9. So it is nonagon. And the last one is if the number of sides is 10, decagon. Deca means 10. Okay. So this is the figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total number of sides is 10. So this is decagon. So these are the types of polygons. See, this is 3 sides, so this is triangle, and this is 4 sides, quadrilateral. 5 sides polygon is pentagon. 6 sides polygon is hexagon, and 7 side polygon is heptagon. This is also known as septagon, heptagon. दोनों correct है. And The 8 side figure is octagon, 9 sides figure polygon is nonagon, and the 10 sides polygon is decagon. Okay, so these are the different types of polygons. Now let us see the another topic, because polygons are very much we are using in our day-to-day life. Okay, so you can find many of these shapes in everyday life. Windows, doors and walls, almirah, blackboard, notebook are all usually rectangular in shapes. Rectangular means quadrilateral, okay? Four-sided polygon. Floor tiles are also rectangle. The sturdy nature of a triangle makes it the most useful shape in engineering construction. So we'll see some uh, diagrams, some figures of triangles which we are using in day-to-day life. See, this is play symbol. Have you seen this play symbol? So this is also triangle. This is fast forward, reverse. These are all made up of triangle. Pyramids also made up of triangle. Mountains and pennants, and the last pizza slices. Many more are there. If you go through the internet, you will find even bridges. जो रेलवे ब्रिज जो रहता है वो भी ट्रायंगुलर शेप में रहता है. ओके, and let us see some pentagons. The Pentagon building in US, this one, and Shocker Ball. See, all these are Pentagon. And even street sign somewhere it is used in the form of pentagon. See, symbol for house or dwelling, this is also a shape of pentagon. Hexagon, जो ball है वो hexagon shape में भी आता है. So this is the hexagon. Bolts, floor tiles, the white part of the hexagon. Okay, this is also hexagon. The sections of a beehive. The shapes formed by fence wire. See, all the shapes are hexagon, right? And octagons. See, stop some signs. This is octagon. Open umbrella. Now this window is also of 8 sides, so it is also an octagon. And see these tiles. This is also octagon. And candle भी octagon shape का आता है candle. Okay, so these are some examples from day-to-day life. Now we are moving towards the next topic, regular and irregular polygon. So regular polygon is a polygon in which all the sides are of equal length and all the interior angles are also equal, right? So first is regular polygon, a polygon having all sides of equal length and all interior angles of the same measure is called regular polygon. We'll see some figures. First, regular triangle. Regular triangle is an equilateral triangle because in this all three sides are equal and each angle is equals to 60 degree. Next, regular quadrilateral. It is a square, right? All four sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. अब इसके बाद जो भी पॉलीगॉन जो रेगुलर होंगे, we will add regular to that type of polygons. So regular pentagon, all 5 sides are equal and interior angles are equal. This angle equals to this angle, equals to this angle, equals to this angle, equals to this angle. Next, regular hexagon, all sides are equal and interior angles are equal. So these are few examples of regular polygons. Now we are moving towards irregular polygons, in which all sides are not of equal length and all interior angles are not equal. Okay, so see this figure. This is isosceles triangle. Only two sides are equal. The third side is not equal. And scalene triangle. Okay, all sides are not equal. And rectangle. See, rectangle में length और breadth equal नहीं है यहाँ पे. And this is pentagon, irregular pentagon, because this side is shorter than this side. So these are few example of irregular polygon. Okay, so now we are going to start the next exercise, exercise 5.8. First question. Examine whether the following are polygon if any one among them is not. Say why. The first one, it is not closed, right? It is not closed, that is why it is not a polygon. Next, this is a polygon of how many sides? 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is a polygon of 6 sides. And this is not a polygon because it is not made up of a line segment. Now the last one also same reason. See, this is not made up of line segment. So that is why the last one is also not polygon because it is not made up of line segment. So this is question number 1. Now we are moving toward question number 2. Name each polygon. The first one, the number of sides is 1, 2, 3, 4. तो 4-sided polygon को क्या बोलते हैं?
Quadrilateral.
Very good, quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral.
Okay. Now the second question, only 3 sides are there. Triangle. Right. Now the next bit, 5 sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Very good. Pentagon.
Pentagon.
Okay. And the last one, total 8 sides are there.
Octagon.
Right. Octagon. Okay. So first one is quadrilateral, the second one is triangle, and the third one is pentagon, and the fourth one is octagon. Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 3. Draw a rough sketch of regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means all 6 sides are equal, okay, and all interior angles are also equal. Connecting any 3 of its vertices, draw a triangle. Identify the type of the triangle you have drawn. So पहले तो एक rough sketch बना लेते हैं regular polygon का, right? So now I am going to connect this 2 vertices first. This one and this one. Okay. Now see this figure. This is right triangle because this angle is 90 degree. Okay. This is one way we are joining. So हम लोग दूसरे तरीके से join करके देखते हैं क्या मिल रहा है. ठीक है, फिर से ले लिए. Now we are joining this side and this side and this one. See this angle. All 3 sides are equal. So we are getting equilateral triangle. Okay. अब इसको एक दूसरे तरीके से ज्वाइन करके देखते हैं हम लोग. ओनली आई एम ज्वाइनिंग दिस वन. सो यहाँ पे देखो 1, 2, 3 वर्टेक्स है यहाँ पर. सो इन दिस ट्राइंगल ओनली 2 साइड्स आर इक्वल. सो दिस इज एन isosceles triangle. Okay, so we have connected in 3 ways. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Draw a rough sketch of a regular octagon. Use squared paper if you wish. Draw a rectangle by joining exactly 4 of the vertices. So this is the figure of regular octagon. हम लोग को 4 vertices join करना है to form rectangle. So let us start. First this 2 and this 2. See, this is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. And this is also 90 degree. And this is also 90 degree. And these 2 sides are equal. Okay. And these 2 sides are equal. So this is length and this is breadth. So this is a rectangle. Okay. So now I am going to join in another way. फिर से ले लिए. ध्यान से देखो. पहले इसको हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन से जोड़ते हैं, ये वाला, and this one. Okay. So here also, एक मिनट, हाँ, here also these 2 are equal. See, these 2 are equal length, and these 2 are equal, and each angle here we are getting 90 degrees. So this is also rectangle, right? So now we are going to join in another way. So ये वाला join करते हैं, ये वाला और ये वाला, ठीक है? This one and this one. See, here also these 2 sides are equal. This is breadth and these 2 are length, and we are getting each angle here also 90 degree. So this is also a rectangle. Okay. And one more way we can join. देखो ध्यान से, ये इसको join कर सकते हैं दोनों को. Okay. फर्स्ट इसको ज्वाइन कर लिए, सेकंड फिर इसको ज्वाइन कर लिए. नाउ दिस फिगर यू ऑब्जर्व, दिस टू आर इक्वल एंड दिस टू आर इक्वल. सो लेंथ और ब्रेथ, और यहाँ पे हर एंगल हम लोग को 90 डिग्री मिल रहा है. सो दिस इज आल्सो राइट, सॉरी, रेक्टेंगल. So this is question number 4. Now we are moving toward last question, question number 5. A diagonal is a line segment that joins any two vertices of the polygon and is not a side of the polygon. Draw a rough sketch of a pentagon and draw its diagonal. So this is the rough sketch. Okay. So let us start with the first one, AD, right, and AC. दो हो गया. Now we can join here also. Okay. EC and BD and last one, see this one, BE. मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ, देखो, this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one, and this is the fifth one. So total number of diagonals are 5. Okay.
5.
Right. So this is the last question of today's session. Now we are moving towards assignment questions. This I will post through Google Classroom. So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.